Hey everybody, this is Steffi Hogan with Creative Pro, and today I'm going to revisit this clustered bar chart that I made because I want to show you how you can animate it in kind of a clever way. So this is what it would look like. What we're doing then is just building in the men's series and the women's series. Everything else is there and it just kind of waterfalls in. But it grows in and looks like it's coming from the center. So how on earth do we do that? Okay, well here's the unanimated version. First things first, clicking on this chart, and then I go to the animations pane. I need an entrance effect for these series. So if I open up the animations list, the one I want is not showing by default here in the entrance animations. So we go down to more entrance effects. And what we want is under moderate, it is called stretch. So if just by default, that's what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Right. So clicking on that chart, you can go back to the animations pane, and up here, I want you to show the animation pane. And if I right click on what's there and I choose effect options, chart animation, I want it to come in by element in series. I don't want to start by drawing the chart background. That should just be there already. So just from that, let's see what it looks like. Oh, golly. Well, first of all, slow as all get out, but it's building in those gray bars first, and I want those to be there already. So how do we do that? Well, in our animation pane here, there's this little double caret arrow thing. Click on that and open this all up. And we'll notice that for this, we have 4 series. Remember, series 1 is the gray bar for the left. Series 3 is the gray bar for the right. So I have series 1 selected. I'll right click on that and choose remove. And then all of the series 3 points, I'm going to click on those, right click and choose remove. Now I want these after each other, not on click. So selecting them all, I want after previous up here in the animation pane. I want this to be much faster, not half a second per bar. Let's do 0.15. That should be good. Okay, now what does it look like? Okay, goofy. We want them to build from the center of the chart, from the axis, and not from the center of the data point. So select all of series 2, and we come up here in the animations pane, effect options, and we want those to come in from the right. So that way it's coming from the axis. So when we do that, then it looks like this. Right? And we still need to do the same thing to the purple ones. So choose all of those. I chose the first one. I shift clicked on the last one, come back up here to effect options, and then I want it from the left. And now it's coming in exactly how I want it. So that's really a cool way to animate some data. One more time, because it's fun.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.